This exercise is about subclass of accounts as properties, and then two subclasses, one for checking accounts and another one saving accounts, and then create objects of three of them. Let's start with a subclass called account. One subclass called checking accounts and then saving accounts. So I will say checking account. Next one, saving account. Okay, checking account is subclass of account, so we say extends account. So the checking accounts and then saving accounts become subclasses. Okay, let me copy properties of account class. So we have account number, balance, annual interest rate, and they created. Also, we need to have a two method, deposit and withdraw. So insert code, add properties, account number. I assume it's an integer. You can keep the Java documents, but we'll just turn it off. Next one is balance. I will keep it as double. Default value. Let me keep the default value 0. Insert code. Annual interest rate. That will be percentage, so I will say 0.0. Double value. Okay, one more to go. Date created. That will be based on the date class, so it should be null. You can type it date on the Java util. So we have that. Okay. So you may need to import date class. Here we go. Date created is date class type. Then we import Java util date. We have two more methods, deposit and then withdraw. So this time I will just type it. Double amount. For example, $10 you can withdraw 100. So balance, let's say 10,000 minus $10. So balance minus equal to amount. Void, we call it as a deposit. Double amount. There will be balance plus equal amount. Okay, we may need to have toString methods, so you can see what's inside the account object, all of them. Okay, so toString method will print name of the class and then data field. Okay, the checking account is not clear at this point, but it has a limit. Okay, one of the property possibly overdraft limit. Even though I say 5,000 here, I'm not sure we are reporting to number of times we can withdraw or amount of money we can withdraw. So for now, let me just leave it as an integer data type. Okay, constructor. Saving account has same properties. Okay, default constructor. Then you may need to use constructor. Okay, that's okay. We need to have an insert code to string so we can see what's inside this checking account object. Also here to string so we can print what's inside the savings account object. Okay, let's write the test program. Public static void main. Create a account object based on superclass. As in for simplicity, I may need to use a constructor. So let's say account. That's a default constructor. Let me have one more. Second constructor, I may have two parameter accounts, number, and then balance. I mean, when you have a new account, you have a bank account number, then you may need to deposit small amount of money. So there might be some balance. Okay, once you do that, and we go to subclass, we can insert the constructor, second one, so that you can construct a subclass object using a superclass constructor. Okay, that's fine. Save it. Here we can say account number 123. Let's say 10,000. So we create one object. Checking account. Let me just say check. Let's say 456. 20,000. Saving account. 40,000. Let's say input, okay, process, and then output. Okay, process. Let me just add some example. Deposit 5,000. Okay, check account. Withdraw 2,500. Saving deposit. Let's say 5,000. Then we can print using string methods of each object. Paste it. Let me change to check and saving. Okay, in the first one we have a saving account number 123 15,000 because we deposit 5,000. Okay, everything else is default value. Checking account, saving account, I think I need to call for toString method so that we can see account number and balance. So let me go back here, super toString, then here super toString, so we can print what's inside the properties of checking and saving accounts. So this time we should be able to see, okay, account number and balance together. Okay, 2,500, that's why it's a 17,500. Okay, the last one 5,000, so 45,000. That seems okay. Let's say I'm going to deposit another 5,000. So you can see there are 50,000. Okay. So this is kind of how to use the inheritance. So you have one superclass called accounts. You have two subclasses, one is checking account and saving accounts. You can invoke constructor, and the method belongs to superclass.